Okay, I bought this chicken. Cottage and Parmesan chicken lasagna. So what does it say? Spin it around. It says microwave, pierce film to vent, cook on high for 14 minutes. Remove film, cook an additional 10 minutes. So 14 minutes and then 10 minutes. Microwave. Let's try microwave in 14 minutes. Here we go. Here it is. Here we go. This film, I gotta puncture it. Let me just put pause. Here we go. Punctured it. There's the puncture. Let's put 14 minutes. Let's see. Time. $14. There we go. See you in 14 minutes. Okay, so it says now remove the film. I'm removing the film. Oh my god. Okay, remove the film. What does it say now? Cook on high, remove film, cook on high for additional 10 minutes. Let stand for 10 minutes before serving. Okay, now cook on high for 10 minutes. Okay. Time. A minute. Okay, let's do it. Oh. Here we go. This is it. Voila. Let's get the knife. Oh my god, it's so small. I don't even know why I'm cutting it. But let's try. It looks cooked. Okay, let's just put it on the plate. Let's try. It says to wait 10 minutes to eat it. We need it right away. Oh my god. It's good. Well, there you have it. Chicken lasagna. Halal. Zibia. Love it. I love it.